AI is transforming how we manage projects, but it's not all or nothing. Let's explore the 5 levels of AI integration so you can see where your team stands, and where you could go next. Think of this like a maturity model. Each level represents deeper, smarter use of AI in your agile processes. At level 1, teams are curious. They're reading about AI, watching webinars, but haven't tried using it yet. This is where most traditional project manager offices are today. Here, teams test AI in small doses, like using ChatGPT for summaries, or experimenting with AI scheduling assistants. Now, AI tools become part of the routine, used for backlog grooming, sprint retros, or even user story generation. At level 4, AI isn't just helping, it's recommending. Teams optimize roadmaps and workflows based on AI-derived patterns and predictions. Finally, AI becomes a trusted co-pilot. It adapts schedules, flags risk, and drives project rhythm autonomously. Humans lead strategy, AI handles flow. Most teams sit between levels 1 and 3. But with the right mindset, even small teams can climb higher, faster than you think. Start small. Pick one AI use case, one pilot tool, and run a single retro powered by AI insights. Need help climbing the AI pyramid? Grab my free AI Agile Readiness Checklist and your book Agile in the AI Era. The links is below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.